We're on the bus to where?
Volcano Bay.
Yes. Got a cheap. Got a cheap. They couldn't even wait till they got inside to get wet. Who said that? If you want to be lazy, you can get one of these tubes and just kind of float around in circles to your heart's content. You could do this the entire day you're here if you want. For the more adventurous, there's a faster one. And here it is, the faster one. We went around 3 times. Takes about 5 minutes each time, depending on how much you float, how much you walk. It's really a lot of fun, a lot of varying terrain, so some of it gets bumpy, some of it's fast but calm. But it's really a lot of fun. Kids love it. I've also been up here on this coaster. We're gonna try to get some video. If we have to sneak it, we sneak it, but it's a whole lot of fun. It's the Krakatoa coaster. You never quite know who you can meet here at this park. Hello, what are your feelings on this park today?
It's wet, very wet.
Yeah, it's very wet, but it's very
nice.
warm today. So
Yes, sir.
waiting on the kids to come back down here. They're up there someplace. They'll come down probably the blue one, or that blue one, or the green one, or that green one. We don't know.
That one looks so good.
Did you see I fell out?
So what'd you guys think?
That was awesome. But then I just realized when we were walking up, my mom told me don't film it on the other side. It's just me there. Oh, roller coaster.
Well, the thing was I put
So the hard part is getting a tube. So I think at this time of day, everybody wants to cool off and be lazy. You can walk around if you want.
I'm wondering, look underwater.
So we wait.
No.
And now we float on a boat.
sorry.
Jackson! I was just racing with him.
It's like Crash Bandicoot. You're on the Crash River. Yep. If you get hot, this lazy river is a good place to cool off. Nice and slow, nice and wet. Did you know asthma inhalers float? They do. Mine floated all downstream. Thankfully, I've got another one in the truck. Unfortunately, the truck's at home. Oh well. Lesson learned. It probably got vacuumed up in one of the...
Eli, you don't have to drink water. You can't eat water.
That was pretty entertaining. I'll give you that.
I lost my glasses.
Right there.
I can go behind you.
Look, she found it. Thank you. Disaster averted. I've got my thing. I'll just hold on to it. Volcano Bay. Like I say, if you get hot, this is the place to cool off. Ramming speed. Boom. I think they have hidden cameras. I am. Alright. So we're gonna go on the Krakatoa coaster. Ow, ow, ow. Krakatoa coaster. It's the coaster for you and me. Okay, so what is your favorite thing about Krakatoa?
The drop at the end when you go down and then go up. That's my favorite. My favorite part's the last drop where it goes straight down.
Yeah.
We have the same favorite.
Yeah. I think my favorite is just laughing at your guys' reaction.
Oh no, probably my reaction.
It is definitely funny to watch or listen to them scream and yell like they have lost their minds. That's fun.
All right, so now we're gonna go back to the little cabana and order some lunch for Eli, and we're just gonna lay back and relax for a little. Okay, so if you do ride the Ikahanu, just know that if you're the heaviest in your party, you will go backwards. Yeah, I don't do backwards very well, so I screamed like a banshee the whole way. This is a fun ride. Just if you don't like to go backwards, don't be the heaviest in your party. And go.
Hi. And we say accept.
All right, here comes the next victim.
You're the next victim. Hey, you're our next victim. Tonya!
Hey, more victims.
Take this, you victim! Ha! We squared at you!
It sure is fun squirting people. Not so much when you get squirted. The slide that starts way up there comes down here and goes through this tube. Like that. That would be really fun. And now, after a really fun day with great weather, we say goodbye to Volcano Bay. But now we're gonna go Islands of Adventure, so let's go.